Hey, fishy team. So we continue with the series of the tanks. We're showing today some of the Mollies fries that we have from the second batch. They're here growing on this barrel or whiskey barrel tank that we bought on Tractor Supply that we showed in another video prior. Hopefully you can see them because there's a lot of glare on this section here. This is one of the fishes, the gold dust molly. Here we have also some of the oldest ones. These are all females. Sorry about the glare. It's a lot of glare. Here we have red and white swordtail, plus the brick swordtails and some of the mollies. That one there. Some of the gold those mollies as well. This tank over here is empty. We have nothing there. And this is what we have for today. Serious. There's a lot of glare here. Okay, appreciating. Thank you again for watching our videos and see you in the next one.